So you're thinking about your next vacation. Well, you clicked on this video for a good reason. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the top 15 reasons why you should visit and see all of Malaysia. But before we get into it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get it. Number 1. Visit the Patronas Towers. One of the most iconic sites in the world, the Patronas Twin Towers are located in the capital city of Kuala Lumpur and are the tallest twin towers in the world. The architecture is postmodern in style and also features motifs found in Islamic art to represent the Muslim majority in Malaysia. The main attraction is a skywalk over the sky bridge that joins them together, while visitors can admire the views that stretch across Kuala Lumpur and KLCC Park. Number 2. Sunbath on Langkawi. If you fancy getting out of the city, then head over to Langkawi Island. Actually, an archipelago of over 100 different islands in the Andaman Sea, only 2 of which are inhabited, and of which Langkawi is the largest, with a population of over 60,000 people. Langkawi being one of the most popular island resorts in Malaysia. While in Langkawi, make sure you ride the sky gondola to the top of the mountain so you can get a 360 beautiful view of the entire island. Number 3. Sample some local food and flavor with NASI LAMAK, which is considered Malaysia's national dish. Traditionally, Nasi Lemak is served with hot spicy sauce, sambal, and usually includes various garnishes including fresh cucumber slices, small fried anchovies, roasted peanuts, and a hard-boiled or fried egg. Don't forget to ask for some ayam goreng or sambal sotong or rendang dadeng, which is either fried chicken, cuttlefish in chili sauce, or beef stewed in coconut milk with spices. Definitely a dish you're not going to want to miss out on while in Malaysia. Number 4. Get out of town at Tunku Abdul Rahman National Park, which is actually a collection of 5 different islands that are found off the coast of Kuta Kinabalu in Sabah, East Malaysia. The park is accessible by ferry, and some of the islands such as Sulug Island are almost untouched, while others such as Gaya Island are busier and more crowded. Common pursuits on the island include hiking and trekking, as well as swimming and scuba diving opportunities. Number 5. Enjoy the culture in Maleka, the historic state, which lies next to the Malacca Strait from which it gets its name. The state is said to have the most interesting architecture in all of Malaysia, as it was formerly colonized by the Portuguese and features a number of red lacquer buildings from the period such as Christ Church. Maleka is also home to one of the most popular night markets in Malaysia, which is located on Jonker Street. While in Maleka, don't forget to take a stroll down the river wall and explore all the various different alleys and canals, as there are a lot of sights to see in this part of Malaysia. Number 6. Walk around Penang. Penang is an island off the west coast of Malaysia that has GeorgeTown as its capital, named after British King George. Penang has a focus on conservation and preservation, and visitors can experience this at one of the many famous hotels in Penang. Penang is also famous for its tropical spice garden that showcases the best of the region's local flora and fauna, such as the torch ginger, a plant used in many traditional Malay dishes. While in Penang, don't forget to check out Journey Drive, the seafront overlooking a series of beaches, including North Beach. This area is well known for its night scenes, when dozens of local food sellers and shops open up. Number 7. Visit one of the many mega malls in Kuala Lumpur. My favorite would be Sunway Pyramid Shopping Mall, Resort, and Theme Park, which is located in Selangor. This Egyptian-themed shopping mall hosts indoor ice skating, a large lion Sphinx statue that you are sure not to miss outside above the entrance of the shopping mall, as well as the resort and theme park that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Number 8. Genting Highlands. Also dubbed Resort World Gentings, a resort located in the Titiwangsa Mountains, which sits at an elevation of 5,000 feet. The resort is a popular destination for local visitors. At the top of the mountain, you will find various different theme parks, a casino, bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. However, your journey starts at the bottom of Genting Skyway, which is your cable car that will take you to the top of the mountain. Along the way, don't forget to take your first stop at the Swee Caves Buddhist Temple, where you can marvel and get a glimpse of the large Buddha statue sitting on the side of the mountain, as well as 9-story tall pagoda tower. Number 9. Relax in Kuching, one of the most beautiful cities in Malaysia, located in Borneo, the capital city of Sarawaki. This city's got it all, including a very relaxing vibe, national parks, cool cafes, and a riverbank that many enjoy walking along, especially nice in the evening hours. Number 10. Take a dive in the Perhential Islands. Actually, a group of islands in the state of Terengganu. The Perhential Islands lie close to the coast of Thailand. The island can be visited by ferry and water taxis operating between the various islands, giving visitors the chance to island hop at their leisure. Key attractions in the Perhentials are the pristine beaches and the water, and scuba diving is considered a favorite activity in these parts. At night, don't forget to take advantage of dining on freshly caught fish cooked over coconut husks on the beach. Number 11. Climb Mount Kinabalu, the highest mountain in Borneo and Malaysia. With an elevation of over 13,000 feet, it is the third largest peak of an island on Earth and the 20th most prominent mountain in the world, beautifully placed in the west coast division of Sabah in Borneo in Malaysia. Number 12. Visit the BATU caves in Selangor and marvel at these limestone cliffs that are studded with caves and carved cave temples. The caves and temples are Hindu shrines and as such are a site of pilgrimage for many Tamil residents of Malaysia. While at BATU Caves, you are sure not to miss the giant Murugan statue, which is the third tallest of Hindu deity in the world. Number 13. Visit Johor Bahru, home to Malaysia's LEGOLAND, and only an hour drive from Singapore. Least I forget to mention, Danga Bay theme park and beach is definitely something you don't want to miss out on. Number 14. Tour Kuala Lumpur in style on a rooftop bus while taking a ride on the KL Hop On Hop Off tour around the city. Number 15. Catch some live music in the evening time in front of Fahrenheit Shopping Center on Bukit Bintang, within the Golden Triangle. This area is busy with lots of restaurants, shopping centers, and lots of cool cafes. And only a few blocks away, you will find Jalan Alor, the Bukit Bintang night market, full of street vendors selling lots of delicious food and drinks. That concludes my top 15 best things to do in Malaysia. Lots of stuff that I probably left off this list, and a lot of stuff I probably just haven't experienced myself yet, and probably having to go back to Malaysia myself. But the best way to enjoy such a beautiful country with so much culture is to see it for yourself. So till next time, this is the travel tip. Catch you in the next one.